Best Adventure Motorcycles 2025, Triumph Tiger 900. As 2025 kicks off, the adventure motorcycle market is buzzing with excitement over the latest models designed for on- and off-road enthusiasts. Among the top contenders, the Triumph Tiger 900 has emerged as a standout choice for adventure riders, thanks to its blend of performance, versatility, and advanced technology. The Triumph Tiger 900 continues to evolve, solidifying its reputation as a go-to option for adventure motorcyclists. With a powerful 888 cubic centimeters triple-cylinder engine, the Tiger 900 delivers a dynamic riding experience, offering a perfect balance of power and agility. This model's engine has been fine-tuned for 2025 to provide smoother torque delivery, making it even more capable on rugged terrains and long-distance road trips alike. One of the key highlights of the 2025 Triumph Tiger 900 is its upgraded suspension system, which features electronically adjustable settings, allowing riders to effortlessly switch between various terrains. Whether tackling rocky trails or cruising on highways, the suspension adapts to the rider's needs, enhancing both comfort and control. Additionally, the Tiger 900 is equipped with the latest in rider assistance technologies, including an advanced traction control system, cornering ABS, and multiple riding modes. The bike also boasts a new, larger TFT display with enhanced connectivity features, such as smartphone integration for navigation and music control, making it easier than ever for riders to stay connected on the go. Ergonomically, the 2025 model offers improved seat comfort and adjustable wind protection, catering to riders of all sizes. The bike's lightweight frame and low center of gravity further enhance its handling, making it an ideal choice for both seasoned riders and newcomers to the adventure segment. Overall, the Triumph Tiger 900 remains a top pick for 2025, combining cutting-edge technology with a proven design that excels in both adventure and comfort.